Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Irunmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you.
To explore full Yoruba stories, IFA teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information.
The Great Secret of Ogbe. Bàlòbẹ. Prayer. Rezo. Ogbe Ṣe Oríbonọ alalele kun sango obonibose ori omo oluo ashe. Aranlale biewa ogun ifa enyewa ogun. Oribose ateni lara onibaranire gun eni fife oya anireye. Onibose enifa inle. Iyeshewa ifa kaferefun sango. Kaferefun Òrúnmìlà, kaferefun oya. Story. Patakin. On the land of Iyewa lived Oya, who had a son with Obonibose, who himself was a son of Osanyin. That child did whatever he pleased. One day, Oya, in her pride, cast him out. He went onto the road to suffer hardship and was left without clothing. Then he remembered that his father's name was Obonibose, and he offered 3 hens at the base of a guama tree near the river, calling upon Obonibose and singing, Obonibose gangan, kukuru kukuru, Obonibose gangan. Obonibose, who was at the foot of the aragba tree, heard the chant and ran out, finding his son in a ruined condition. Obonibose ate the hens, placed his hands upon his son's head, and said, "Let us walk together and ask Oya for her blessing." Carrying a hen in his hand, Obonibose called upon Oya and prayed to her. She appeared, and Obonibose placed the hen at the foot of the kaimito tree and sang, "Iyami keleweo, Iyami keleweo. Yanzan omo asade delekun onisango anana ekwa. Kwaribo yanla iya toribose. Yanza beleya oya." At that moment, Sango and Ogun appeared and said, "Do you know why your son is in this state? Because he must be baptized. Sango alone knows the secret that will set him on his true path." Sango then removed one of the boy's teeth and replaced it with a tiger's fang, saying, "Let us go seek the godmother, the Iyalosa." Oya rejoiced at what was to be done for her son. They went on their way, and Ogun called all beings together. They knelt at the riverbank and began to pray. Iyalode akwetevi kwada abei moro oshun morieyeo. Ayanyag bogbo obonibose onilorun. Akwetevi iyami omoribola oshun obonibose orifa. Asade akwetevi iboru. Akwetevi iboya. Akwetevi ibosishe alade. Koyu atiti eko aferemo. Oshun emerged from the river and said, "His name shall be Ori Ifa Asade. I will consecrate him. Sango, you shall be the great witness. Ogun, you will perform your ceremony, and I will perform mine." She continued, "I will cleanse him with Eja Oro Ibulosa, and afterward he shall be handed to Obonibose. But Ogun must take him to Ifa so that Òrúnmìlà Ogbe Ṣe Oríbonọ, together with you, may give him his secret, so that wherever he lives, he will face no adversity." Before the final consecration, Ifa said, "You must give Obi to Oya and take them to different crossroads." Thus it was done. When the final obi was delivered, Oya said, "You shall be my best and most beloved son. Take this chain that Sango gave me so that Ifa may consecrate you with Ogun. Take this Ewo to Yemoja so she may help you." Ifa Ori Asade went before Ifa offering beans. Òrúnmìlà said, "We will consecrate you with Ogun in the forest using Eja Tutu Awa." They placed him beside a place filled with filth. Òrúnmìlà gave him the leri together with Ogun with beans of equal measure. The beans were given to Ogun and the fish remained in the filth. During the ceremony, Òrúnmìlà sang this suyere. Eja bewa ori ori lekebe eja mamafori. Mamafori eja tutu belake ori felewe. Felewe mamafori. Suyere of the fresh fish ceremony. Eja lowe eni elewe. Eja tutu moforibawa. Ori malaweni ewe ewe. Ogun yanya uro Ogun maseni wewe. Awo malayeni awo. Ifa Ogbe Ṣe Boribose awo oboribose. If the Egun is an awo, only the sign is placed.